video, we are going to see question number 8, 1 and 2. So first we will go with the first sum. So we have to prove, this is also the proof sum, we have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So first we will take LHS. 1 plus cos theta minus sin square theta divided by sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. So by seeing this, we should not directly try to do, but first we have to observe the sum. So if you see only 1 plus sin square, so 1 minus sin square. So we can rearrange this and write 1 minus sin square theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. So we know sin square theta plus cos square theta, trigonometric identity, first one, is equal to 1. So cos square theta is equal to, if we bring the sin square here, it will become 1 minus sin square theta. So instead of 1 minus sin square, we can write cos square theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. If you observe the numerator, cos theta is common. So cos theta I can take outside, minimum power is 1. So if we take 1 power out, here we have 1 more cos theta. So cos theta plus 1. Many of them will have a confusion. If we have taken out cos theta, what we should write? 1 multiplied by any number is the same number. So 1 into cos theta is cos theta. So we have to write 1 inside. So sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. Cos theta plus 1 is also, we can commutative property, 1 plus cos theta. The order may change in addition. So this divided by this is 1. So cos theta by sin theta is remaining. Cos theta by sin theta is nothing but cot theta. That is your right hand side. So we have to LHS is equal to RHS. So hence proved. Hope you understood the first sum. We will go to the second sum now. Second sum, we have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. So we will take the LHS, tan cube theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus 1. So this is in the cube form. We can write 1 as 1 cube also. There will be no difference. We know the algebraic identity. A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B into A squared plus AB plus B squared, which we have learned in our grade 9 and 8. So here A's place we have tan theta. B's place we have 1. So we have to just substitute that. Tan theta minus 1 into tan square theta because A square plus AB. 1 into tan theta is tan theta. B squared is 1 divided by tan theta minus 1. So this tan theta minus 1, tan theta minus 1 will give 1. So now we know the identity 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta. So now we have remaining tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1. So commutative property, we can rearrange this and write 1 plus tan square theta plus tan theta. We know 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta plus tan theta. So that is your right hand side. So we have proved LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. So hope you understood the sum. In the next video, we will go with the question number 19. If you have any doubts, you can give in the comment section. Thank you so much, students. Thank you.